I have an iPhone XR. This set is not turning on, and I want to check and share to you guys how we usually fix it. So I have opened it up, but I have not unscrewed it yet. So let's do this. To those who don't often see iPhone XR from the inside, what I can say is over the time the phone have gotten like more and more complex. Let's see what kind of problem I'm facing with. So I was wondering why I have not plugged this in yet. Like wondering why is it showing the symptoms like 0, 01, 02. You have to believe me, but right now it's showing at 0.8 to 0.9 like instantly. It's not supposed to do that, and I'm feeling something that's hot. So let's take out the motherboard and yeah, let's have a look inside. My hand is burning. It feels like something is damaged. Let's see again. Let me point it to this camera. The moment I turn on the power, it's really heating up. Where is it? Alright, near to the power area. The heat is increasing. Oh, I think we hit the spot. Somewhere here. I was like touching around this area, and I was feeling like something is burning, but I can't tell. Could it be just a connection? The problem is still there. I believe maybe it's the power chip. Power chip could be damaged for this one. I'm gonna dismantle. One thing about this model, there's a lot of different kind of screws. Quite a lot of effort to remember which part is for which. Sometimes I just want to try avoid taking out all the component, but you have to. Like example, like this one, the seam area. Apple is just making it difficult for people like me to dismantle. I hate this one. XR itself take a lot of effort just to take out this part of the case that covers it, so that we can see which part of the component. I need to do some case study right now, because the problem will appear the moment I press the on button from here. I'm able to see that it's turning on by itself. It's heating up. Have a look. When I turn it off, you don't see anything right now from here. But the moment I turn it on, there's something there. I know it's not so clear, but something is heating up. I can't tell. Is it from here? Oh, I feel it. Oh, it's hot. But why is it here? Oh, ow! I think it's the capacitor that's damaged. But let's have a look. Oh, I think maybe it's this one. Let's have a look again. Let's use the freeze spray. Oops, I missed. Alright. I really can't tell. It's not a capacitor. Something else is heating up. I have to take it out. I hate this one. I'm so sorry. I love my job, but I hate the SR. It takes a lot of effort, but still, we have to do it. I'm required to use a lot more heat than usual when we are taking out for the XR. You see, right now, the color of this thing is turning a bit of we call it chow tao, but no choice. This is the only way I can take it out. The soldering paste itself, they use a much more higher temperature. Feel special of yourself. I used to feel special because not a lot of people who can actually fix an iPhone. I can't tell from here because everything looks almost like nothing is wrong with it. I want to do the heat test again. I need to cool down the motherboard. For us itself, usually what we do, we just blow. So, excuse me. Okay, motherboard is okay. Doesn't look bad. It looks fine. Let's give it a try. It's a bit hot right now, but let me see it. Oops, there you go. This is the one. I don't think I need a flare for this one. I don't need a microscope for this. This is a very common component that is damaged often. The power chip. Have a look. See that? Sitting up. I'm gonna change it. Let's replace this component now. I'm gonna change this component and see whether it'll be able to turn on afterwards. Let's have a look on the microscope. It's time to take this component out. This is the component that I'm changing. Be able to tell if it's damaged. Don't see any burn, but I do see something from this side here, which is I don't know. I can't tell. I'm just gonna change the component, and we're gonna see whether it's working or not. It's a bit crooked, but I think it's okay. Still, I shouldn't stop here. I'm gonna change the component. Let's see whether it's the right one. 2600B2. 2600B2. Can we see any difference? No, they're about the same. Maybe this one is a little bit darker black. Can't tell. It's in, but need to add more flux. Just make sure everything is in. I think it's okay this time. Oh no! We didn't fix the problem yet. The chip is still heating up. What could it be? Should we continue our next video? We did right, but the same issue is still happening. What could it be? Stay tuned for the next one. Yeah, stay tuned for the next one. This is the second day of the fixing, because yesterday I had some issue. I don't know why. Just doesn't want to turn on. So because of that, I'm gonna do a different method this time to just find where's the actual shot. Previously it was just giving out the kind of shot where it's not really at that spot, but rather somewhere else, just that it wasn't able to indicate. So have a look. For this case, I have to do a jumper. This area itself is power. I just have to connect it to another side of the power. In a way, tell me what's the actual problem. Hoping so. By doing this, connecting these two chips, I'll be able to tell where's the actual component that is actually damaged. Let me plug in the battery first. Let's have a look. You'll be able to see? Yep. We will have to lower down the ampere, the voltage. Really bring it down up until 2 volt. Alright, it's turning on right now at 0.4. Let's see. Is it a Wi-Fi? I think we found it. Let's see. But I'm sure it's that component that's damaged right now. Let's see. Yep, it's this one all along. What does it have to do? But it's that cheap, just a capacitor. This part was the one that is sitting up, which is at the back of the board, and this one is the one that is causing all this kind of damage. Let's see whether I have the component. This kind of motherboard is the one that I'm using. They have hole on it. The problem with this one right now is that it's near to the CPU. I have to be careful. If I put too much of a high temperature, the CPU is gonna be damaged. So I have to be very careful. I've removed the capacitor to have a better understanding. I'm just gonna connect the battery again, the DC, and see whether the set is turning on right now. Won't be able to turn it on, but just want to make sure the short is not present. That's what happens sometimes. Have to get another one because the component actually flew off. Coughing it because of all the chemical I'm inhaling right now. As I said before, the phone tend to be much harder to fix. So for something like this, usually they have it for iPhone SS Max, iPhone X, all this. Just that except for iPhone X, they don't really have it. Probably because of the demand. There, Apple logo. From the beginning, the set wasn't able to turn on. Now we are able to see Apple logo. That's the DC power meter itself is not making any noise. Basically, the phone is working. We are able to go to the login page. I'm able to see the time right now of the recording is precisely at about 5:25. We did it. We did it. Yeah. Let's try the phone. It's charging. It's working. This is good. This is good. This is good. It's party time! Woo! Subscribe!